Okay, we're moving on with our first start here of this motor. Try to get the camera set up here in the toolbox so you can see what's going on. Got the battery hooked up there. I guess you're not going to get to see the battery. But there's the motor. So right there, the MSD is all connected to everything it needs to be connected to now except 12 volts. So there should be no spark going on. The starter's hooked up and there's a positive and negative from the battery going to the starter and the negatives going to the block from this battery here. And I have the starter solenoid wire hooked to, just a jumper, and I'm going to tap it to the positive terminal of the battery, and if we did everything right, it shouldn't smoke and the engine should spin. As you can see, we have the intake manifold is all on it. We redid the carburetor this morning. That's all on it. It's ready for fuel. I got a fuel line on it, and I made a little, took a water bottle and dried it all out and stuck a fitting on the end of it, and we'll put some gas in that, and that'll go on the end of the hose and get hung up. But first, let's see if it actually will turn over. 3, 2, 1, contact. Ooh, well, oh, there we go. Yeah, we'll do that again. That was fun. Okay, so what we can do now, I have this spark plug wire interrupted with this little light here. If we hook up the MSD, we should see that spark once in a while. That's ground here. Power. Okay, try this again. Watch for a little light right there. Nothing. Well, for some reason the MSD isn't working. Maybe we don't have it hooked up right or something. But most of the way there, we have the thing cranking and ready for fuel. Now we just got to get spark to it. More in a bit.